So I've been driving my Nova around. So far so good. The new engine is running pretty strong. I have good oil pressure. I'm happy with the work that I've done. I had the stock muffler on. I got a new muffler, a Totalflow from Amazon for 30 bucks. And it's louder. It's okay. I actually want it quieter. I have MagnaFlows on my Camry, so I'll probably go with MagnaFlows once I go to dual exhaust. But I want to give everybody a chance to hear this Totalflow. It's just one muffler, single exhaust, one muffler, and just give everybody a chance to hear what it sounds like from out here. So there you go. Totalflow, it's louder. It did add torque to the bottom end, so it's not all bad, but it is louder. I actually didn't want it louder. I wanted it quiet, but not bad for 30 bucks. Would I recommend it? Yeah, sure, if you don't mind loud. It will add some power, so definitely like I'd say a 4 out of 5 if I were rating it on Amazon. Please like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.